What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna try to get the Corvair started. It's been sitting for approximately since March-ish. So that would make it what, March, 3-4 months. So let's hope it doesn't give too much of a problem to start. I keep the battery disconnected, so all I have to do is really just put the cable back on, and once the carburetors get some fuel, I think it should start just fine. So let's give it a shot. Forgot I got a bunch of stuff on there I gotta take off. So here I have the battery cable disconnected, kind of wrapped in this There we go. Tighten this bad boy up a little. Rest of the engine looks pretty good. It was rebuilt not that long ago, but okay. Before I go ahead and start, I'm actually going to check the oil and transmission fluid, just because sometimes these cars, especially the 60s, they peak out transmission fluid. I don't know if there's any right now. Sometimes after they sit for a while, there's sometimes a little hairline crack in this hose. Sometimes it pukes out transmission fluid after it sits for a bit, but you know, usually after you drive it and you park and you drive it regularly, it's not an issue. So we're going to check all that out before we even attempt to start it. So first, I'll check the oil. Clean it off. Got it back in. And it looks like I need to add a little bit. It's not, I guess it's not completely full, but so it says it's not completely full, but then again, oil does expand when it heats up. So I'm going to check it one more time after I start it back. It's not like extremely low or anything like that. Maybe it's actually at the correct level. I don't think there are any oil leaks in the car, and it was around, should have been full last time. So I'm going to monitor that, but it doesn't seem like it's, you know, too low or anything like that. It's above the add line, but beneath the full line. Transmission fluid, I had filled it up last time because it had, oh yeah. Transmission fluid is definitely filled. It had actually puked itself out last time I was driving. I got to a stoplight. Luckily I was only like 5 minutes away from home when I stepped on the gas and I had like no power. I limped the car home at like 5 miles per hour. It wouldn't shift or anything like that. Had a feeling it was transmission fluid. Came back, looked at my garage, and saw the fluid all over the ground. I guess I didn't notice it before. Filled her back up, and she was fine after that. So, seems to have held up. But let's start this car up and see what she does. So the engine's running pretty smooth actually. That was a pretty easy startup, and it's been sitting for, like I said, 3-4 months. It's very quiet, check it out. Like I said, super quiet for first cold startup in months. Before I had the engine rebuilt, definitely didn't run this smooth. Like this is, I could probably balance a coin right here. While I'm at it, a parking spot just opened up, so might as well bring the Miata back here, so at least it's a little closer. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today.
Huh? Sorry. No, you're talking to me. Start again. I'm not even in it.
Anyways, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna let the car run for a bit, just to kind of get the oil around. And there's gonna be more Corvair videos coming up soon. Definitely trying to get it out more. I have to do some work to it, which I've been putting off, but stay tuned for more updates.